So this is how you can lock the exposure and focus, the AE/AF on the iPad camera. That is how it works. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you have to get inside of the camera app of your iPad where you're going to be using the built-in camera. But the way that it works is that at first you have to tap on the thing you want to focus on like that. So, the exposure and focus will be changed based on that particular subject which you clicked on. It works the same way for the front facing as well as for the rear facing camera. But the point is that you not only click it, but you also hold it down on it until you get this like animation with the orange or yellow square. And also at the top you have you'll see the button or like an icon indicating that the auto exposure / autofocus is locked, and you know that it has been successfully done. Obviously, to unlock it, you just tap someplace else to release the focus lock, and the iPad's camera will go back to normal. Keep in mind, of course, that there are some different apps which might be better for that particular purpose. For example, there is an app which you can get from the App Store, which is called the Black Magic Camera. And there, it works a bit different because you, by default, get the camera app, which is manual by default, as I said. So you control everything, the way that you want. You can literally switch the manual focus entirely and adjust it according to your preference. So that is something you can explore as well. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.